Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's requested video, we are going to be talking about how to properly post your Etsy listings on your Facebook page. So if you want to learn how to post and optimize your listings correctly on Facebook, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is one of the videos that is added to my to-do list. So if you guys have any additional videos that you would like me to create, anything on social media, digital marketing, Etsy related, or small business related, make sure that you leave a comment below and I will add it to the list and add them to the YouTube channel. So many of you guys were asking me how to properly post on Facebook and the image getting cut off, etc. So I kind of wanted to show you two different ways that you could post in order to get your image correctly optimized for Facebook and not cut off when people are viewing your products or services on your Facebook fan page. So the one thing I always tell people is that if you are going to post on Facebook and you're going to have a feature link, which means that when the person clicks on the actual picture, it goes to your Etsy listing, you want to make sure that your photo is optimized for Facebook's platform. The dimensions that I use is 700 pixel by 400 pixel. So 700 in width and 400 in height. That's what I use for Facebook. You could do it bigger. You could do like 900 by 600 as long as it's the same ratio. It doesn't matter. If you want to go bigger, you can. I usually stick with 700 by 400. Now, there's two ways that you could post. The first one is you could grab the link of the actual item that you want to promote. So let's say I wanted to promote this print right here. I could actually just grab the link, go to my Facebook page, put the link on my page, and it's gonna start fetching or finding, right, that particular listing. So it might take a few seconds, so just give it a few seconds for Facebook to recognize what exactly you're doing. If it doesn't do it right away, refresh, because it does tend to do that once in a while. So it's nothing that you did wrong, or it's not that the link doesn't work, it's that sometimes there's a delay on Facebook end for some reason. So right now it's showing the preview and boom, it came up, right? So what I see that many people do is that they leave the link up here, and it looks really spammy having this massive long link. So what you want to do is you want to remove the link. And what you want to make sure that you do is write an engaging caption so people are engaged and people want to go ahead and click to learn more about your product. So I might put something like, get this beautiful, awesome, be awesome print for your home office to keep you motivated. Click below to learn more and see other matching items, or see other similar, because they're not matching, similar items. So I wrote something about what I'm selling. I wrote it, and then I added a call to action. So click below. That's a call to action. You're telling the reader what to do next. You could do hurry, offer end soon, or sales end soon, or click below for details, or learn more below, whatever you want, as long as you tell the reader what to do next. Now, another thing that you should be doing or incorporating once in a while, I'm not saying you have to do it on every single post, I don't do it on every single post, is adding emojis. There's a cool site called coolsymbol.com. This is where I go to do my emojis, and I use their emojis here. So I'm going to use this little arrow pointing down, and I'm going to go back to the actual Facebook post, and I'm going to put that arrow there, and I'm going to break this down like this, and then I'm going to put, like, I could either use these little things here, like these little stars, or I'm going to open the emoji section in a different window. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab this one here, the one with the little eyes, with the hearts in the eyes. I think that's cute. So I'm going to put this here. And there you go. I'm done. This is what I'm going to do. And after I do this, I'm going to go ahead. You could share now, which means you're publishing right now. Or you could schedule. You could you could schedule by going to publishing tools. And you could schedule this for the future, meaning you could do a schedule for later this afternoon, or you could schedule it for tomorrow. You could do a couple posts already drafted out. This is a really great way to always post continuously on Facebook without having to spend so much time every single day. You could do a whole week's worth of listings and postings today for the rest of the week or for the rest of the month, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule now. Share now, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on share now, and that's it. You see, and now when people see this, if they want, they could click on like more, they could share it on their page if they wanted to, and if they click on the actual link, it takes them directly to my actual listing. Now let's say that your image isn't vertical, so my image automatically was a vertical image, so it fit the Facebook standard size, which is vertical. So that worked out really good. But if I have an image like my critique one, so let me show you that one. If I have an image like this one, there's more boxy, it's not vertical, this is gonna get cut off, right, when I promote it on my Facebook page, and I'll show you. So I'm gonna put the link. It's looking for the actual landing page. So give it a few seconds. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. As you can see, the picture is getting cut off. Why? Because it's not optimized for Facebook. This picture is a square, and Facebook is more optimized as a vertical image. So if you have images like these, your best bet is to, and you might like this option a little bit better, is to grab your picture, drag it to your desktop. Everything's a little slow right now. Once you drag it to your desktop, you will copy the link, right? So I'm going to delete this one because we're not going to use this one. Even though it still has the word there, I don't want my picture to get cut off. So I'm going to delete this option, right? And I'm going to refresh my page real quick. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool. I talked about this tool before. It's called Bitly. And Bitly lets you shorten your URLs to make it look nicer. Instead of using that long URL, I could use a short one. You could actually also customize this end right here if you wanted to, which is really, really nice. I could come here and say be awesome, and that could be the name of my link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the picture and I'm going to upload the picture first. So you want to upload the picture first, because if you put the link first, it's going to pull from the page. So that's why you want to upload the picture first. Once you upload the picture, then you would do the same. You know, are you struggling? I'm going to put, are you struggling with Etsy sales with your Etsy shop? Oops, I can't write today. If so, I can help. Let me do an Etsy shop critique of your shop today. And then I'm going to put the call to action. Click below to learn more about the critique and what comes included. That makes people engaged. It makes people wonder, okay, what does it do come included, right? And they want to click to learn more about what I'm selling them. And then what I'm going to do is, I put click below, click here to learn more about the critique and what comes included. So I put the actual link right here, as you can see. Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Cool Symbol, and I'm going to find different, I'm going to do this one here. It points to the right. I like this one actually. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show the customer where to click, right? Because sometimes you need to tell someone where to click and make it as user friendly, as simple as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and get an emoji. And the emoji is going to be maybe this one, like someone that's disappointed, they're struggling with their store, right? So you want to make the emoji related to whatever you're talking about. So I'm going to put that one there. You could also do 1 or 2 hashtags. Don't get like Instagram, you could do all 30 hashtags. Facebook, you could do 1 or 2. Don't put too many because then it looks spammy. So you could do like the main words. If you're in the wedding niche, maybe hashtag wedding. If you are, maybe you're selling stuff for dogs, hashtag dog. Just the main keyword that is the main focus of whatever you're promoting. So I put hashtag Etsy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, once I prove it, I read it again to make sure everything is spelled correctly. I'm going to share now. So now this image is a little bit different from the one I did prior, right? So the one I did prior is pulling directly from the page. This one is an image that I uploaded and then I added my caption. But you want to make sure that you shorten your link down because you do not want to have this massive link. People look at it as spamming. It looks horrible. Another nice thing about Bitly is that once you put in the link, you use the link, you're able to track how many people click. These are all like the tracking right here. So you're able to see in real time how many people clicked on that particular link. And that's a great way to see if your Facebook marketing efforts are paying off or not. You're able to see, okay, I posted this Friday and I got 200 clicks from Facebook. That really tells you that your audience is in tune with you on Facebook, and you might need to post a little bit more often to keep that audience and your tribe engaged with whatever you sell. So just keep that in mind. That's a nice thing about using Bitly, that it does keep track of how many people click on it. But this is how simple it is. I don't recommend adding a whole bunch of keywords. You could, potentially at the end of the actual caption add like your brand name or your brand, like your store, if that's your brand, or for me would be Nancy Badillo, my name, because I'm the brand. You could do that if you wanted to. That's actually pretty good to do. Other than that, I wouldn't add too many hashtags because Etsy, people don't really search by hashtags. Some people do, but not majority. It's not like Instagram. But this is the 2 most effective ways that you could post. Or another one is just to kind of clear the air. If you have an image that is square, like this one, but you want to you want to post on Facebook, what you could do is recreate the image as a vertical image like this one with the dimensions of 700 by 400. You could do it on canva.com or Photoshop or any editing software that you use. And you could upload that picture as a replacement of this one. So when you put the link, the main photo will appear. You remove that one and you upload the new photo that won't be cut off. That's the other option. But these 2 are the easiest ways to do it. As you guys could see, it didn't take me that long. I hope that this helped you for whenever you are posting on Facebook on how to get started, how to promote it correctly, how to optimize it for Facebook the right way. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any additional questions. And thank you so much for watching this video.